In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to access, and it's related to chapter 1. So we are just moving toward the first instruction file. Once it opens, then we will start working on our assignment. So we have to click on enable editing, then make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video we will discuss Exp19 Access Chapter 1 Cap Assessment Latte Delights Inventory 1.2, and here is project description. So we have to increase the size of description and change its color. So in today's video we will discuss Exp19 Access Chapter 1 Cap Assessment Latte Delight Inventory 1.2. We will solve this assignment step by step, but before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have just 9 questions. You may see we have just 9 questions, even though last one is a not graded one, in which we have to close all database object, close the database, then exit access and submit the file, and then simply get a score. So we have just 9 questions in graded report. Let me start today's assignment. We will start from project description. First we have to read a description, then we will move toward graded report. In this project, you will open a database containing the inventory of coffee shop, create a new table in which to store sales representatives reps information, and then add a sales rep record. You add a new product using a form and print a report. You apply a filter by selection and sort a query, then you apply a filter by form to table. You save both filter. So that was just simply a description about our today assignment. Now we are moving toward graded report. Steps to perform instructions. So in first part, start access, then open and download access a file name, this one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. Graded have automatically added our last name in the beginning of the file name. So first we have to open, we call that solution file. Okay, then what we have to do next, in next part, in question number 2, we have to add the following records to the sales reps table, letting access assign sales reps ID. So we have to add following record to the sales reps table. Where is that table? Sales reps table here. So here we have to in that record. Okay, so first we have to copy this one, then paste that here, and then this one, that is our first name, so we have to paste that here in first name, then copy this one, then paste that here in address, then copy this one, then paste that here, then copy this one, then paste that here, then copy this one and paste that here, then copy this one, paste that here in next one, press tab, then copy this one, paste that in first name, press tab, then we have to copy this one, then paste that here, then we have to copy this one, then we have to paste that here, Then in state we have to copy DE, then paste that here. Then we have to copy this one and paste that here. Okay, now we are moving to our third row, or we call that last row. Okay, so we just copy this one from here, and then we have to paste that here, copy this one, then copy this one, then copy this one, then we have to copy this one, that's our street name. Then in last, okay, then close the table. Now we have to save and then let access assign sales reps ID. So save and then simply close. So question number 2 is done and we earn 16 marks from the. So in question number 2 we have to add following records to the sales reps table, letting access assign the sales reps ID. Once we in all the record, then simply close that table. So question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Open the customer form in form view. We have to open customer form, right click and open that in form view, mean double click on there, so that will be in form view. Yes, then what we have to do, search to locate a record for Baker Auto Supply. So we have to first copy this one, this record name, then we have to paste that in search. Okay, then simply press enter, so we get that record. Okay, now what we have to do with that record, we have to modify the record so that address 1 field display this address. Okay, so we just copy this address from here, then where is address 1, here is address 1, so we have to paste that address here, then save and close the form. Okay, now we have to save and close the form and we will earn 12 marks from there. So simply right click on there, save, then right click on there and close that one. So question number 3 is done and we earn 12 marks from there. So in question number 3 we have to open the customer form in the form view, then use a search to locate the record for Baker Auto Supply, then modify the record so that address 1 field display 4508 and W7 Avenue, then save and close the form and we earn 12 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 4. Open the product form in form view. First we have to open product form in form view, mean double click on that, so that will be open in form view. Then add a new product. Access will automatically add. So now we have to add a new product. So we have to add new, yes, this one, new blank record. Now we have to in the record. So what we have to do, we have to write this one, copy this one in product ID. So copy this one from here, then paste that here. Okay, here product name. Then in description what we have to do, we just simply in description we have to copy this one and paste that here. So we just copy this one from here, then paste that here in description. Then the cost is $13, so we just move to our cost where here we write 13. Then yeah, there is hint that we have to just write 13 no dollar. Okay, Then in markup percent we have to write 100%. In markup that is already 100%. Okay. Then brand is premium. Now in brand we have to write premium. Where is brand? This one. So we have to select premium from there. Then and year introduced is 2017. Year introduced is 2017. Then save new record and close the form. Now right click on there, save, then right click and close that one. Okay. So question number 4 is done and we earn 12 marks from there. In question number 4 we have to open the product form in form view, then add a new product. Access will automatically add product ID. Then we have to in coffee Arabica premium. Then in description we have to in this paragraph. Then in cost we have to write 13. Then in markup percent is 100% and brand is premium and the year introduced is 2017. Then save the new record and close the form and we earn 12 marks from there. Then in question number 5 what we have to do, we have to open the product report and check that report contains a new product, this one. Then view layout report in print view, then change the page layout to landscape, then save the report and close print preview and we will learn 12 marks from there. Same way we will solve other parts. So you may see we have just 9 questions in graded part. Out of 9 questions we have done first 5 questions, mean almost 60% assignment is done from my side in today's video. In today's video, we have discussed Exp19 Access Chapter 1 Cap Assessment Latte Delights Inventory 1.2. In short, we just discussed project description. Then we move to a graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we have solved question number 2, 3. Then we have solved question number 4, 5. So first 5 question is done from my side in today's video, mean almost 50% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may contact me. I'm available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me, you may simply text me. I will respond instantly and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. So in today's video we have discussed almost 50% assignment. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.